everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the very first video in my makeup declutter series. So I'm going to be starting to go through my collection and kind of show you guys what I have in my collection, and also declutter as I show you guys what I have in my collection. So some of these may be a little bit more of a collection versus a declutter, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I have in my collection because I do want to start doing some makeup tutorial videos, some review videos. I do weekly makeup baskets, so if there are any items that you see throughout my collection and declutter that you want to see me use during any tutorials, if you want to hear my opinions on them and just have me use them and give you my opinions on them during my weekly makeup baskets, you know, leave them down below in the comment section. Today's video is going to be my lipstick declutter. I do want to put a disclaimer out there. I do have a pretty large makeup collection. I don't get sent any PR. All of these products are products that I have purchased on my own with my own money. I'm not just going to get rid of products just for the sake of getting rid of products. I'm only going to get rid of products if I just really don't like them. I really don't want them in my collection. So this is not going to be one of those, like, I'm going to get rid of half of my makeup products just, you know, for the shock factor or whatever. So if you don't like that, you know, I would just go ahead and click out right now, because I'm telling you right now, I'm probably not going to get rid of that many products. So it's definitely going to be much more of a collection than a declutter. But, you know, I'll probably get rid of some stuff. So wish me luck, and let's get into the video. Okay, so this first drawer has some like traditional lip crayons. So right off the bat, I know I'm gonna get rid of one of these two brown ones. This is the Bite Beauty matte lip cream in the color Cognac. So let me go ahead and swatch this one in comparison to the Tarte one that I have here. This one is the Lippy Lingerie in the color Revealed. So yeah, I do want to keep the Revealed one, and I'm going to get rid of the Bite Beauty one. I'm also going to be getting rid of this Trestique mini matte lip crayon in the color Nantucket Nude. I have a couple of other nude lipsticks that I prefer over this formula, so I'm going to be getting rid of that. I'm also going to be getting rid of the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks. This is like a color bomb. There's just other lip products that I prefer to this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. I already got rid of like the rosy tone color that I have, so I'm just gonna get rid of this one. And then everything else in this drawer I'm gonna keep, so I'm just gonna go through these real quickly for you guys. This is from Bite Beauty. This is like the double-ended lipstick, so one end has like a really nice orange. I love that orange for the summertime, and the other end has a really hot pink. These right here are also from Bite Beauty. I got these as a duo. These are their high pigment lip pencils. So this is Rhubarb and this is Chabalis. I really like the formula of these. These three are from NARS. This first one is in Dolce Vita. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. And keep that. Then this is the Satin Lip Pencil in Rakugan. I actually have Rakugan, something like that. I actually have two of these. I have one in my purse. And then this is the matte one in the color Cruella. And this one's actually one of my favorite ones. This is from Me. This is a velvet finish lip pencil lip glide in the color Playfully Peach. And this is one of my favorite lip pencils. It's this gorgeous like peachy coral color. I really like the formula of these. I think I got this in like a glossy box or something like that. These four I just recently picked up. I'm not really going to swatch these because it has a very light color. These are the Chubby Sticks. This one's the intense one, and Fuzzy Wuzzy. This one's just a regular one in Melon. This one is a regular one also in Marvelous. And then this one is another intense one in the color Brick Red. I'm going to swatch this one so you guys can see like how nice the color payoff is for this particular one. So again, this one is in Brick Red. I really love the chubby sticks, and this is like a little set that I picked up during the, I think it was like the Sephora VIB sale or something like that. And then I really like these. These are the Revlon matte bombs. This one is in the color 205 Elusive, which is a really pretty everyday pink. And then this one is in 255 Enchanting. This one is just like a really nice everyday nude color. I love these. They're kind of dupes for the Tarte these little lip surgeons, because they do have a little bit of like a minty scent to them, but they're not tingling or plumping. Next, I have all of my ColourPop lippy sticks, and I do have these kind of like color coded. Quite honestly, I don't think I'm going to get rid of any of these, but I'm gonna quickly look over the colors to see if I'm going to get rid of any. I specifically looked at the reds because red is the only color that I typically don't wear. So I have this one right here in number 54. I am going to be keeping this one because it is a really nice like pearlized finish red. So it's kind of like a purpley red, and it has this really pretty like red shimmer in it. And quite honestly, I don't own anything like this, so I'm going to be keeping that. However, I am going to be getting rid of this one in the color Jingle. This hasn't even been swatched, so I'm actually going to put this in a giveaway. And then this one in TGIF in matte, I'm also going to be getting rid of this one. I really think this is a pretty red, but in comparing it to NARS Cruella, I like the creaminess. I like the formula of NARS Cruella better, and these are pretty much the exact same color. So since I'm keeping Cruella, I am going to get rid of TGIF. The rest of these colors I am going to be keeping. Let's move on to some of my Milani lipsticks. Sorry for the glare on these, you guys. But I am going to be getting rid of a few of these. This one is in Matte Innocence, and quite honestly, I have a few colors already like this in my collection, like the Urban Decay lipsticks, and I prefer the formula of those nudes a lot better. I think this one is a little bit of a streaky nude. I'm also going to be getting rid of this one in number 45, Catwalk Pink. I think it's a little bit too light of a pink for me, and I do have a MAC lipstick that is very, very similar in color to this, so I'm going to be getting rid of that one. And then I'm also going to be getting rid of this one in the color Matte. Actually, no, this one's the one that I decided to keep. So I'm going to be keeping this one in Matte Blissful. So my other colors that I have is number 27, Dolce Caramello. I love this color. I have number 11 in the color Fruit Punch. This is a really pretty bright summer color. I have number 34 in Violet Vault. This is a really pretty and bright color. Number 52 in Coral Addict, and number 70 in Matte Luxe. So Matte Luxe and Coral Addict are pretty similar, except one's glossy and one's matte. I'll go ahead and keep both of them because I really do like the formula of these Milani lipsticks. Okay, so this is another lipstick drawer. I like to kind of keep my lipsticks based on like finish of the lipstick tube. Right off the bat, I know I'm gonna get rid of this YSL one. This is the Rouge Pure Couture. It's a red, and like I said, I don't traditionally use red, and I'm already keeping that NARS one, so I'm going to get rid of this one. I don't think there's much else I'm going to get rid of in here. I just got this sample of this YSL lipstick, and it is a pretty and bright color, so I do want to test out the formula of this because I've been thinking about buying a full size of these, so I am going to test out the formula of this. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. I don't know if you guys can see, I have used it up. I've actually used up a full size of one of these, and this is the little baby sample size that I have left, and there's just a little bit of lipstick in here, so I'm actually going to take this out and put it in like my little everyday makeup area. I have 4 of these guys. I have the color Sugar Daddy, which I know I'm going to keep. These 2 right here, this is in the color Taffy and Nude Beach, are all very pretty nude colors, so I'm actually going to keep those. This one reminds me of the ColourPop ones. There, so this is the ColourPop one, and this is the Too Faced one. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit more sheer. So I think I'm actually going to keep these 2. These are the Tarte Lipped and Sculpt duos. I guess this one is in the color Basic and this one's in the color Sass. I really like these two and I do use them. This one is also from Tarte. This is probably one of the products that I regret buying. If I were to do a video, this would definitely be on it because of the amount of product that you get in here. That is all of the product that you get in this lipstick, and I want to say it's like $22 or $24. This is in the color Cabana Boy, but this is an absolutely gorgeous like mauve color, and I'm definitely keeping it because it's a color I definitely want to use up, but I don't recommend purchasing that product. This one I'm on the fence about. This one is in the color Bossy. It's from MDM Flow or something like that. It's a really pretty like nudie color, but I'm gonna put this aside to compare. This is a brand new lipstick I just got in the color Big Bang. It's this really pretty like pearlized like glitter topper type of lipstick. This is in the color Ex-Girlfriend. It is a sheer lipstick. I really do just like pairing this with like a nude lip pencil underneath. And this one is in 1993. This is a Comfort Matte from Urban Decay, and it's this really pretty like brownie nude color. So I am going to keep that one. Okay, so I have some more lipsticks here. I am going to be keeping both of these NARS lipsticks. This one is in the color Dolce Vita. It's a really, really pretty, like, nudie color. And this one is in Scarlet Empress, and it's this really pretty, like, dark berry color. I'm going to be keeping both of these. These are the Rimmel Lasting Finish by Kate lipsticks. I think these just have numbers. This one is in the color 08, and this one is in number 17. I really like the formula of those two, but these two I'm going to get rid of. These are the Moisture Renew lipsticks in the color 260 Berry Rose. They move around a little bit too much on the lips, and they also have like this perfumey scent to it. This is in the color 125 to nude or not to nude. And again, this is a really pretty color, but these both have kind of like a little pearlized finish, like a little shimmer finish, and I don't like the scent. So I'm getting rid of those two. I'm also going to get rid of this one. This is a Style Box by Jamberry lipstick. This is really, really old, and I just really don't like the formula of this. The color's really pretty, but I don't like the formula of this. Then I have these three from Wet n Wild. I absolutely love these lipsticks by Wet n Wild. This one is in the color 907C Mauve Outta Here. I'm going to be keeping this one. This one is in 908C Sugar Plum Fairy. I absolutely love this one in the winter time, and this is one of my favorite nudes in 902C Bare It All. Really, really gorgeous nude. These do pull a little bit, but they do last a really, really long time, and they're kind of like a satiny matte finish. I love these, and I think they're only like $1.99 or $2.99 or something like that. These two I recently got from like a Nordstrom purchase, like free gift with purchase. These are from Estee Lauder. It's a really pretty plummy color, so I want to try this out a little bit more in the winter time or in the fall time to see if I like the formula of this. And then this one I think is a nudie color in Intense Nude. I love nudes, so I like to try out different nude formulas to see if I like them. I'm definitely going to be keeping both of these. These are the Maybelline matte lipsticks in number 665 Lust for Blush, which is a really pretty like rosy color, and then this one is in number 655 Daringly Nude. And then these right here, these are the bold lipsticks. This is in number 760 Gone Greige, and this is number 770 Mauve. Oh, I love that color. Absolutely love that color. Okay, so there's a few lipsticks that I'm going to get rid of in here. This one I'm definitely not going to get rid of. I recently got this in an Ipsy bag. This is from Mellow Cosmetics in the color Nude. I really, really love the formula of this lipstick. It lasts a really, really long time. It's just a beautiful color. I'm definitely keeping this one. This one is from The Balm in the color My Bills Be Paid. Again, another gorgeous, gorgeous nude. You know what? It's very, very similar to that other lipstick. So I'm actually going to get rid of the other lipstick and keep the Balm one. And I'm going to get rid of this one. This one is from Kat Von D. This is in the color Lolita 2. And it's such a pretty color. However, I kind of don't like these lipsticks all that much. They are a little bit drying. So I do have to wear like a lip primer underneath them. And they do kind of tug on your lips when you apply them. But I just love the color of this. I think this was like a limited edition color for the holidays. This is a Clinique High Impact lip color in the color 11 Peach Pop. And it's this really pretty like NARS Orgasm kind of peachy color. I really, really like it. This one I am going to get rid of. This is from Tarina Tarantino, and this is one of their like conditioning lip sheens. It's just too like messy of a color for me and too sheer of a color for me. I do have another lipstick from Sephora that has a very similar formula, but I like it better. So I'm going to get rid of the Tarina Tarantino one, even though it's such a beautiful, like beautiful packaging. I am going to get rid of it. I just got these two. These are like the NARS like multiple sticks or multi-sticks. This one's in the color Gelato, which is this really pretty cool toned pink. And then this one is in the color Cashew, which is the warmer of the two. So I'm actually excited to play around with these on my lips. Cheeks. I've only tried them on my lips so far and I really like them. I'm actually going to put this lipstick somewhere on display. It's like this brownie, like orangey color. I just don't like the formula of it, but I can't. The packaging, it reminds me of our little pug, Bowser. He passed away a few years ago, and every time I see little pugs, I don't know, I think of him and it reminds me of him. So I'm actually going to put this somewhere on my bookshelf on display because it does actually remind me of my adorable little pug. I miss him so much. I am going to be getting rid of this Pure Lip Lore Hydrating Lip Lacquer. And then I'm going to keep my Buxom full-on lipstick in the color Dolly. I love this lipstick. I love this formula. Okay, so this is my final lipstick drawer. So these are all of my Lorac Alter Ego lipsticks. I have the color CEO, Seductress, which is this really pretty like rosy color. This is one of my favorites. This is in the color Goddess, which is this really gorgeous mauve color. This is in Nudist. This is actually brand new. I haven't even tried this one yet. This is in the color Optimist. And then I have the color Duchess, which this is probably one of my favorite nudes of all time. I really, really like this color and I like the formula of these. So here I have all of these Smashbox lipsticks. I picked these up as part of a set. I have Famous, which is a nudie color. Primrose, which this is actually a very popular color. This red one I actually might get rid of. I don't think I've even swatched this red, so I actually am probably just gonna put this one in a giveaway. This one is in the color Legendary, and this one is this really cool purple. This is in the shade Tabloid. Such a cool color. This one is from Laura Mercier. It's this really pretty nude color in the color Milky Way. I love mixing this in with other lipsticks. I have two Marc Jacobs ones in the color Slow Burn and in Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. I have a Bobbi Brown one in the color Brownie, which is this really pretty nude. I haven't even tried this one yet. I have a few from Buxom. These are their Big and Sexy lipsticks in the color Pink Decoy. And then this one is in Sinful Cinnamon. This one is, I think they're like just Big and Sexy lipstick, but I think this one is like the creamy version. These two are both the matte. This one is in Sultry Mauve. And then this Kat Von D lipstick is in the color Lovecraft. So these are all the lipsticks I'm going to be getting rid of. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for my other collection and declutter videos. Bye.